Hey guys, welcome to Crafts by Felicia. I'm Felicia. Thanks for stopping by. If you're on a budget like me and don't have a lot of money to spend on decor, then this is a channel for you. I will show you inexpensive ways to recreate beautiful decor pieces for your home. So grab your hot coffee or your sweet tea, your glue guns, and your paint, and let's get crafting. Okay, so for today's craft, we are going to be doing a farmhouse theme St. Patrick's Day farm truck. I'm going to be using this Valentine's Day truck that I found at Dollar General, and it was only $2. First thing that we are going to do is use a ruler and mark where we need to cut to remove the hearts. Using my handsaw, I'm just going to follow my lines and cut the hearts off. You can cut this using almost any type of saw. The wood is soft and it really is easy to cut. After I removed the hearts, I used my sanding sponge that I got from Dollar Tree to smooth my cuts up. I got this paint from Hobby Lobby. It was under $1. It's Anita's and the color is foliage green. I'm going to paint both sides of the truck, doing 2 coats on each side, and then use some black acrylic paint for the wheels. Here I'm using my Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. I'm just going to create some detailed lines on the truck and then kind of soften them up by dry brushing over them with some more of the green paint. I printed off this Shamrock, and I'm going to take my pencil and shade the back side of it, then just outline the Shamrock. It will leave a faint outline of the Shamrock that you can use as a guide. Then I'm going to paint it using my Waverly chalk paint in the color Moss. Okay, so while that dries, I'm going to move on to the base. I'm going to cover it in these moss sheets I got from Dollar Tree, but first I need to paint it. I'm going to use the same paint that I've used on the truck. So I let the base dry, and so now I'm going to take the moss sheets and cut them down and hot glue them to the base, and then trim up using a razor and some scissors. Just give it a little haircut. I really like the way the truck is looking, but I still feel like it's just missing something. So I decided to make some wooden signs for it. I used 2 small popsicle sticks and 1 large popsicle stick and cut them down, spacing them out evenly. I used my glue gun to attach the pieces all together. After the glue dried, I used some Waverly Antique wax paint to paint it and then attach it to the truck using a glue gun. I didn't like the windows being open, so I used a piece of paper and colored it with a black marker to glue to the back and covered the window opening. I also did the same thing for the wheels using a silver marker. I just love the way this truck turned out. I think it's so cute. I usually don't decorate for St. Patrick's Day, even though my husband is Irish. It's just hard to find decor that matches the farmhouse look that I have in my house. Do any of you have the same problem? Let me know by leaving it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.